don't know if the red is flashing. Is that okay? Ready? Left leg. Right leg. Left leg. Left leg. Kicking. Right leg. Whoa. Left leg. Ah. Okay, the challenge here is your left rein is shorter. So when you pull aim, you hit with a little bit longer on your left rein. There you go. Okay, we're going to go straight. Kicking. Woo. Ah, he's tired. Woo. Left leg. Woo. Woo. Left leg. Woo. 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 She's cutting. Vaquero, get out of there. All right.